everyone, Susie here, and today we are headed to the hills. Now we have to bring our A game because we are going to be rolling around some A-listers in a neighborhood called the Bird Streets. Now the Bird Streets are perched north of Beverly Hills, right next to Truesdale Estates. And if we've learned anything about these areas, is that the hills are really steep, really narrow, and have really spectacular views. So, time to meet our new neighbors. Let's go. Alright, we're here at the top of Doheny in the Bird Streets. We're at exactly 10 miles, about 1,300 feet of climbing. So that was a pretty tough climb just now. It was like 10 to 12% at the beginning, then leveled off as we went through the houses, and then this last half mile was like 13 to 15% the entire way. It was a tough one, but look at the views. But I see why all the celebrities appreciate this neighborhood, because it's so secluded and private. There's no through streets, so you don't get a lot of people coming through here like me. That's why I'm whispering a little. It's so quiet here. All you hear are the birds. It's called the Bird Streets because all the street names are named after birds. Okay, so before I get kicked out of here, let's go down. We're gonna explore more of the streets. We're gonna make a left on Oriole, wind our way down to Sunset, go a little bit on the Sunset Strip, but that's not a street you want to ride on, so just a little bit. We're gonna get off of it, go back through Beverly Hills, back to the west side. Another great day in the hills.